Okay there, so now we're up to our hand-eye coordination drills, and our definition for hand-eye coordination is using our vision to tell our hands where to go and what to do to complete a task, like catching a ball. So for this, you'll need 2 balls, and if you don't have any balls lying around the house, go to your drawer, get some socks and roll them up into some balls, and that should work just fine for you. Now, like with our balancing activities, I'll demonstrate the task, and then you need to try and attempt it yourself as well. So you pause the video for announcements back at school. So back to what I was saying, I will demonstrate the task. You will then need to push pause on the video, and you attempt it for as long as it takes you to try and do that task correctly, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is a really simple one, a ball in each hand, standing with your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to throw the balls up to about head height and try to catch them. Remember, we're using our vision to guide our hands to the correct position. So, ready? Alright, not too tricky that one. Really simple. Press pause, and now it's your opportunity to try the task. Okay, we're back. Like with all of our catching tasks that we usually do in PE, they will get a little bit more difficult and more challenging. This next one, we're going to hold our arms out straight, at shoulder height. We're going to drop the balls, they're going to bounce, and we're going to catch them. Now, if your socks aren't going to bounce, which they probably won't, you'll have to try and catch them before they get to the floor. So, for bouncing balls, bounce, catch, and if they aren't able to bounce, drop and catch them before they hit the floor. Now it's your turn. Press pause and have a crack. Next one's going to be a little bit more difficult. What I'm going to do is cross my hands over. So I'll drop the balls out like this, and then my hands are going to swap over and catch opposite balls. Let's see if I can do it. How was that? That will be a really tricky one, but I know if you try it for long enough, you'll be able to do it as well. Press pause, have an attempt. Okay, you're back now. This time you'll need to find a nice sturdy wall. Make sure it's not a glass door or anything like that. You're going to stand 1 meter away from the wall, and you're going to throw both balls underarm at the same time. They'll bounce off of the wall and you'll need to catch them, okay? Pretty simple for me, I've done it a few times. If it takes you a while to get it, that doesn't matter, just try your best until you do. I'll have another shot. Pretty good. Now, to make it a little bit more difficult, like we did before with the dropping and crossing our hands over, this time I'm going to throw the balls against the wall and then cross them over and try to catch them. Who knows, I might miss this as well. Ooh, just did it. I fumbled a little bit, so I should probably keep trying until I do it nice and clean. Remember, we need to use our vision to guide our hands to the correct spots. That's what our definition of hand-eye coordination is. That's all we're going to do for our hand-eye coordination today. Keep practicing these skills until you get it, and I will see you when you get back to school in 2 weeks' time. Bye for now.